Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2008 Harley-Davidson DYNA Fat Bob. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This 2008 Harley-Davidson Fat Bob with 25,080 miles runs well. It's been upgraded with Screaming Eagle mufflers, a Screaming Eagle Stage 1 intake, grips, mirrors, smoke turn signals, docking hardware, a primary cover, timing cover, battery box cover, and a fuel cap, a chrome rectifier cover, rider and passenger footrests, a brake pedal, shifter peg, and a handlebar mounted accessory port. Powered by a 96 cubic inch V-twin engine, the Fat Bob puts 92 foot-pounds of torque through a 6-speed transmission. With a 5-gallon fuel capacity, the Fat Bob has a 190 to 230 mile range. It has a 26.1 inch seat height and a 706 pound wet weight. This bike passes New Hampshire State inspection. Scrolling through the mechanical condition report, we can see passes on each part of our comprehensive inspection. We measured this bike's charging output at 14 volts, the front tire at 530 seconds, and the rear at 630 seconds. We took this bike for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. Our technician noted that the license plate light is dull, there's an oil pan gasket seep, and the gas gauge gasket is missing. Additionally, the exhaust pops on deceleration. We've posted the service repair order for this bike, so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this bike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There's discoloration blemishes on the front fender. This bike has a clear title, and we have purchased the CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This bike has been through our Select program. It received an inspection, repairs, detail, and comes with a 30-day, 1,000-mile powertrain warranty. For additional program details, please review the program and warranty section in the listing. Additional warranty coverage is also available. We offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades.
At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.